this is your Solana Daily Debrief. Backpack has gone through quite an upgrade. You can stake directly in Backpack, so stake with validator.com, and you can delist and list NFTs on Tensor. Next up, Sandbar, which is kind of like Upwork on the blockchain. They're minting February 6th. Grass, which is a big dApp out there, had their co-founder's account breached. This is due to SIM swapping. Solana Mobile 2 has had 30,000 pre-orders in less than 48 hours. Next up, it looks like BONK Racing is coming to photo finish. Parcel has passed $35 million in TVL locked up on their platform. You earn 70% of all fees from this being locked up. And Dupe are trying to push a new meta. This is typically done by whales early on in the cycle. And Dupe's having a go at this, at least they're pushing it or they've predicted it. Finally, this is your actionable for this weekend. Revoke connections, use two-factor authentication, clean up your wallets, and do these other things on this list. I'll cover everything more in detail in the longer form video as well. Stay curious, catch you tomorrow.